that was amazing. And I just say, I could have totally joined you for the end of the action for the back. And when he drops to the floor and he's like punching the floor, and I would have totally done that for you, give me a heads up. That was lush, well done, babes. Zoe.
I'm going to start off by saying, for me, I just don't think that was like a semi-final performance. Like, I'm not saying it was a bad performance at all, because it was absolutely stunning. Like, the lower part of your range in the verses and stuff, it honestly did, it sounded stunning, and it was a very pretty vocal, and the What About Us's at the end were really like strong, and you did smash it. But yeah, I just feel like you have more to offer us, like you have in previous weeks. But other than that, it was brilliant. Well done.
Thank you. I kind of agree with Zoe. It was a really, really pretty vocal, but I feel like the song didn't really go anywhere, it didn't build until the end, and then it was all sort of like crammed into one. And I think that your voice is bigger and better than that song. I think you could have showed off a little bit more of what you can do. But saying that, I mean, the breakdown in there, then some of the notes that you hit in your riffs, they were really good. I don't think we've really got to see a lot of that. I think it's just a shame that the song didn't show off everything that you can do. But apart from that, great performance, well done.
Thanks, Karen. Yeah, Rhiannon, I do agree as well. I thought it was a lovely vocal. I like the fact that in the first time you did the R's, you did it kind of softly and you went up into your head voice, and then you belted later on. So you did try and like put a bit of light and shade in there. But your belty bits were lovely. But I do agree. I think it wasn't as big as a semi-final song could be, if that makes sense. We know we can see more of you, but it was by no means bad. So you should be proud of it. But just, I would have loved a bit more for the semi-finals, but well done, babe. Thank you.
Yeah, Rhiannon, I think the trouble is tonight, what the girls are getting at is, we've seen you on this journey, and we've seen some really nice moments. Like, one of the ones that I always remember, and I still think is your best performance to date, is when you did your original. It's almost like, over the last couple of weeks, it's almost like things are stepping down from that. And I don't know if it's because you did it too soon, or maybe you should have stuck with that sort of vibe, because you really did come to life when you did that. But I think this song is quite a long song, and to go up there and sing such an iconic Michael Jackson song like that, you've got to have grit, you've got to have guts, you've got to have fire, and everything needs to be out there. You know, you should have blew that system up then, you know, with that sort of song, and it didn't. And that's where the goes like, oh, you know, things. So I completely get where they're coming from. You know, you've been amazing so far. You need to be proud of what you've achieved so far. But these little things where you're picking choices, you need to be very, especially in the semi-finals, you've got to be very precise with what's going to suit, what's going to work, what's going to show off enough of me, instead of it just being mid-grounded, you know. But I love the outfit, by the way. I think the suit really suits you, and it worked really well for the song. But you do need to just be aware of that in future, because, you know, it has been a few song choices now from, if I remember rightly, where I've been like, oh, that could have been a bit better, that could have been a bit better. It's not just this one in particular. But again, like I said, I definitely think the one thing you need to take from the advice that I would give you is you need to delve more into your original stuff, because something just happens with you, like literally vocally, just your whole persona. When you do that, you just come to life. So please take that on board and delve into it more, because that is something that's going to benefit you, not just you from here on out, but after this whole process. So please take that on board. Well done.
Thanks so much, guys.